All right, so in this video, I got a couple interesting news tidbits for you guys. What's going on in this crypto slash tech SaaS metaverse social media space, I guess we could say altogether. It's just some stuff that I want to talk about. And we're going to take a look at this Bitcoin price because people are calling for something interesting and good to happen over the next couple of months. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I just knocked over everything on my desk. But today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this Bitcoin chart. I want to take a look at what's going on with the Polkadot founder Gavin Wood stepping down from parity. Well, pretty interesting things there. And then we're going to take a look at some of these charts of what's going on and all of that good stuff. So if you're excited, I just said the same thing twice. I know, my bad. Let's just get right into it. So right now, Bitcoin, this is Bitcoin on the weekly chart right here. So still not looking like anything that we didn't already know before. I got this blue line right here, and look at this blue line. The price came up to it and it bounced right on it. Let's go to the daily so we can see that a little bit more clear right there. Basically bounced on the blue line, and then now it's coming down. Interesting thing though, if we hold above this 13 and 34, they're also curving up. Also looks pretty good. Then down here, ooh, oka boka, my bad. Down here, what the damn. Okay, down here we got this thing right here on the RSI that's showing us like some momentum up to the upside. You know, we kind of bottomed out over here on the RSI in June when we had this double bottom thing, which I didn't notice that before, that we had this bottoming out in this uptrend. Since now that could be giving us a sign of something. Now if this happens, then I would expect, hey, we might come back up and retest the 200 on the weekly, or no, the 13 first. That's 20k. We can get there pretty soon, like not soon, but it'll be quicker than everything else, of course. And then looking at right here, the weekly 23, maybe 24, wicking above 24 would be that level that we spike to in some type of rally over the next coming months, which is good because we had already we hadn't seen anything yet, but we can see that there's some altcoins that have been popping off, like Luxo the bro, and I didn't pull it up and I got my microphone in front of my keyboard and it's all crazy. But Luxo the bro took off on some news that, hey, you know what, they're gonna be burning some tokens out of the supply, so that's always good for the long-term life of a coin. And Luxo is one of my favorite coins, so burning some of those Luxos, go ahead, keep burning those Luxos, keep burning those Luxo coins. Now speaking of Luxo, something interesting going on. I feel like Gavin Wood sees what's going on with Luxo and he's like, you know what, I need to focus on that too, because that's where Fabian is focusing. But Polkadot founder Gavin Wood steps down from his role at the blockchain and whatever. This article just talks about what Polkadot is, but it says he's going to be a number one stakeholder. His co-founder is going to be the CEO, and he's going to be focusing on social primitives, which are more crucial for us to deliver a true Web3 platform. So he's basically getting this idea that Fabian said, where he said, you know what, it's not the financial sector that's going to make blockchain a household name. It's going to be something social. It's going to be something fun. It's going to be something artistic. It's going to be something that everybody can get into and do. And not everybody is into finance like that. Only a certain few people, and people who like to invest, people who like risking money to make money. That's just what it is. So while we're on this, actually we're not on any type of topic. So Ripple devs push for Ethereum smart contract compatibility. What did I tell y'all? You know, like, how are you the standard if you got to connect to Ethereum? I'm just saying, you got to look at what they do, not what they say. Right here, the U.S. government is considering a national security review of Twitter. This is why we need decentralized social media. That's what I wanted to say. This is why we need decentralized social media, because the U.S. government is considering Trump owning Twitter as a national security risk. Maybe because they think he's going to damn. it, we gonna keep rolling. Yeah, the US is considering this a national problem that Elon might own this thing, is because there's so much propaganda, all the memes, all the right, no matter if you're right, no matter if you're left, no matter if you're in the middle, if you're individual, even, I'm pretty sure like there's somebody who's like a Mormon or something like that who probably still has a Twitter account or something like that, because everybody's on Twitter. But that's where all the stupid propaganda and all that stupid stuff starts, the stuff that we don't really care about. I don't know, I just felt like talking about that because crypto loves Twitter and crypto loves Elon Musk, you know what I'm saying? So speaking of social media platforms, nobody really likes this guy. This is kind of the opposite of the Elon Musk in the crypto space. One big investor is asking for Mark Zuckerberg to throw in the towel on the metaverse. Look, he's not going to do this. They already spent like $15 billion on it. They know it's the future, and they come with power. I was talking to somebody on Spaces the other day, and they said, you know what, you got to give it up to Facebook. Like, they have a lot of power. Their platform is dying. They know that. They see people going to TikTok. They see people going to Instagram. That's why they use such a harsh Instagram algorithm to keep people on Instagram, because they know that people are going over to TikTok, people are going over to Twitter, people are going over to Parler and some of these other smaller little social media things that are popping up, and they're leaving Facebook because Facebook, you only get one type of content on Facebook, and that's the content that you don't want to see, you know what I'm saying? So of course they're gonna stick with this metaverse thing. So I think anybody who this investor doesn't, this guy don't care. He can just pay out of his pocket to replace you. So they're gonna keep on going with this metaverse thing. So just be ready for them in the metaverse space, and if there's any opportunities there, we will be talking about those, because you gotta be objective, you know what I'm saying? So is that all I had? Oh, that was a terrible ending. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed. Happy Monday to you guys. Just a quick short video, I'm just having fun on this Monday. Y'all think positive, and positive things will happen. Get out and get some sun today. RIP to crypto roots. Till next time, peace.